In this video, we are going to see how we can delete the extra ledgers that we don't want before finalizing the opening balances of the ledgers. Because after entering the opening balance in any particular ledger, you cannot delete it. You need to clear the balance first and then you should be able to delete the account. So here we are taking the example of property and equipment, which is created by default when we selected the nature of business as retail. So it automatically created some chart of accounts. And the part of this was property and equipment. But we noticed something that the fixed asset account is created right here. And according to the coding sequence, accumulated depreciation is right at the bottom. So let's say I don't want this. Let me just double click this. And from here, you can simply delete. Click yes, but make sure you don't have any balance. Only then you should be able to delete it without any problem. Just close out of here. And then let's delete the accumulated depreciation account as well. So just double click here, click on delete, click yes, and that's how you can do it. So just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.